Hi guys, Roger here. Let's do this. So let's draw an eye. So first thing first, we're gonna make a shape like this. Put a straight line here. Not straight line. That's kind of 45-degree line right there. 45-degree line right here, and then straight vertical line here. Then we have kind of like this shape, right? And then make a curve here. Then up here, and then curve down here. And then you will have this. You can delete the guideline here, delete the guideline down there. You're gonna have the eye shape, and then what you're gonna do is thicken the top eye line here. Okay, just thicken, and you can make it a little bit kind of over here. Okay, and then thicken a little bit on the end here. Okay, see this? Once you thicken, and then you can kind of delete the bottom first, so we can redraw it what we want. Like, okay, kind of like this, and then I just want to make on kind of eyelid here, and then we have kind of eye. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the eyelid. So the eyelid is gonna be, if you can see in human, this eyelid here. See, kind of draw. You can draw anything you want, but I just draw something like this. Just simple C line up there, and not C line, but kind of curve line up there, and a straight line up here. Not really straight, but it's a slight curve. And then, you know, we're going to draw a circle here. Draw a circle, and then done. And then I'm gonna draw the pupil in the inside of the iris here. See that? We have kind of good one, good eye. See? And then we're gonna draw the eyebrow. Eyebrow, usually I'm gonna like kind of like here, you know, this is the line, and that's just gonna a little bit extend it slightly, and then kind of like this, and then at the corner it's going to be like that. Usually it's going to be somewhere around here. So it's just straight and then curve, straight and curve here. Okay, straight, curve here. So you can draw anything. You can draw like this, you can draw, but I like my eyebrow to be like this, thicken on the front and then thinner on the end. Yeah, I'm gonna just draw a straight line there, and there we go. We got our first eye finished. But if you want detail, you can just blacken the pupil here, and then draw a line into the pupil, right, like right here. Okay, then you can adjust it a little bit, thicken a little bit to have it a little bit of contrast there, and then we have our eye. If you want to put the eyelash, is also okay. Okay, eyelash is going to be like this, like this, like this, and like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So it's gonna do kind of like that. Gonna give curve eye here, and then curve one here, and then curve to the up here, and then we're gonna have curve here, and we're gonna have curve here. Okay, see that? So if you want to add more detail, just add a little bit tiny randomize there, like that, and like that, and like that. There we go. Wait, I like to, okay, like that. Yeah, that's good. So this is I draw my eye. Leave a like if you like the video, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye.